So all these myths and all, so you will find Lamborghini showroom there, Bentley showroom. So that's like the main type of place. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So 7 8 years before Maruti was full of myths and all. Today, what do you call it? Maybe take a dropkick or something. Yeah, this is profitable business. Unlike e-commerce companies, people don't learn. It's profitable after that. Because see, ticket size is 5 lakhs. So nobody will screw themselves for 5 lakhs. Yes, so people will let it go with the ticket. So 5 lakhs is not a good idea.
So max ticket is
No, no. Max goes to 25, 30, but average is 5. It's 4.5. But yeah, we're growing big time. So now Flipkart's CPO is joining as a CEO next month. So I head the acquisition. The acquisition is like I acquired it. I mean, I yeah. So basically, I spend close to 2,000 a month.
And you get business what? How much?
So my